Welcome back. Fencing coach from National Institute of Sports in Patiala, Mohit Ashwini, feels a child aged 5 years can start fencing. The former international fencer also praised the work of the State Fencing Association. Mohit Ashwini is happy with the response from Goan physical education teachers towards learning fencing. He conducted theory and practical sessions for the teachers in Ponda, Mapsa and Margaon. The orientation courses were organized by Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs.
Experience really, it was very good. Every day I worked with more than 100 physical education teachers, and they were very keen, and they really cooperated a lot and showed a lot of interest. And we had a session of 3 hours. 1.5 hour it was theoretical part, and next 1.5 hour was a practical part, and they were very interested. They were fully cooperating, listening to whatever I wanted to say them, and in practical session they really did what I told them to do. And I'm very happy to be here, and I'm really looking forward to come again.
We have a fencing association in Goa, and you obviously must have interacted with the administrators of this fencing association. Overall, at this stage, what sort of level of fencing is prevalent in Goa?
Fencing in Goa is 2 years old as far as active fencing is concerned. And Secretary General Anangha and other members of her association are putting lot of efforts. I am very happy to see that they have achieved bronze medal in sub-junior category, which is a really good sign that they will definitely put lot of efforts, and they will definitely win more medals in coming nationals, as well as if they continue in international competitions also.
So, basically in fencing, what sort of training is required, and what's the right time for children to start fencing?
Like other games and sport, at the age of 5, you should start fencing. But at the age of 8 and 9, we should move to a specification. We have 3 events in fencing: épée, foil and sabre. From 5 to 8, we give them minor games and give them other exercises to see in which event they are fit for. So at the age of 8, 9, 10, we start putting them in those events. For example, if somebody is good in speed, we put him or her in sabre. If somebody is good in reaction ability, we put him in épée. If somebody is having good endurance, we put him in foil. Like this, we distribute them in all 3 events at the age of 8, 9, 10. But we start fencing at the age of 5. A child can start the fencing at the age of 5.
It was a carnival of color at Sakli. 23rd kite competition was organized by the Sakli Diwali Utsav Samiti. Many youths from Sakli took part in the competition. The sky was decked up with a rainbow of colors. Have a look. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.